We're waiting on Oppo announcing the new Find N2 Foldable, and now we might have a clearer look at what specs we should expect when it does. The follow-up to the Oppo Find N is expected to arrive later this year alongside the rumored Oppo flip phone. But what will Oppo change from the first iteration, and will you want to buy one? That's something a new leak might have the answers to, with a Weibo post by tipster Digital Chat Station outing a few details, starting with the chip that this thing will use. According to that Weibo leak, we can look forward to Oppo adding a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 to proceedings, upgrading the Snapdragon 888 processor that was used in the previous model. We're also told to expect a 7.1-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED folding screen, similar to the one we saw in the original Find N. Externally, a faux leather back is part of the design we're told, while the software will be handled by ColorOS 13 SATA atop Android 13. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner will return, taking its place as part of the power button. Other notable tidbits include color options, with black, white, and green available. As for availability, nobody quite knows just yet. The tipster says that the Find N2 is already in production, which would suggest a launch isn't too far away, but what availability will look like beyond Chinese borders is another matter altogether. Everything we know at the moment about Oppo Find N2 on your screen. We recommend watching this video where we talk about the budget Realme 10 and Realme 10 Pro Plus. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.